If you need to transfer your GoDaddy domain to another registrar, one of the most important things you'll need is the EPP Authorization code, sometimes called the transfer code. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find it inside your GoDaddy account in just a few minutes. This is a simple process, but there are a couple of transfer rules you should know before you start, so watch closely. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick step-by-step tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy, then sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the account that actually owns the domain you want to transfer. Once you're inside your GoDaddy dashboard, look for the My Products section and click on it. This is where GoDaddy lists all of your services, including domains, hosting, and other products. Now scroll down to the Domains section and find the domain you want to transfer. If you manage multiple domains, take your time and make sure you select the correct one. After you locate it, click on the domain name to open its settings page. From there, look for Domain Settings and click that option. On the Domain Settings page, scroll down until you find the Transfer section. This section contains the tools related to moving your domain away from GoDaddy. Once you're there, click Transfer Domain Away from GoDaddy. GoDaddy may show you a message about transfer eligibility, and this is where an important rule comes in. In many cases, domains can't be transferred within 60 days of registration or a recent transfer. If your domain is still within that 60-day lock period, you may need to wait before the authorization code is available for use. If your domain is eligible, you'll be able to continue to the next step. Next, click Get Authorization Code. This is the action that tells GoDaddy to generate the EPP code for your domain. After you request it, GoDaddy will send the code to the email address associated with your account or domain contact details. So now, open your email inbox and look for a message from GoDaddy. The email should contain the EPP authorization code you need to give to your new registrar. If you don't see the email right away, check your spam or promotions folder just in case it landed there. Also make sure you're checking the correct email address, especially if your domain contact information is different from the main account email. Once you have that code, keep it safe and copy it exactly as shown, because transfer codes are usually case-sensitive and must be entered correctly. That's it. You've now found your GoDaddy EPP authorization code. At this point, you can use it to start the domain transfer process with your new provider. Just remember to confirm your domain is eligible, request the code from the transfer section, and then check your email for the final code. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.